What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon.com with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So as I promised, guys, the most liked requested video on my MicroStrategy video would get an analysis done today, and that winner was Amazon. So let's take a look at Amazon. Looks like it's trading at its all-time high of around the high 220s. So overall, price has been in an uptrend for a while now, basically dating back since January of 2023. Price has been making higher highs, higher lows, and then now it looks like the trend has gotten steeper because this was the angle of attack by the bulls, about a 45-degree angle. And just recently, we went into a more steeper uptrend channel. So we can go and draw a new one for that. So we connect the swing lows. That fits pretty good. And it looks like we're starting to get even steeper as well. So the trend is still very strong. You can see that price broke out of the prior all-time high, came back to test it for support at the $200 level, and saw a nice push up higher off of that level. This one right over here. And it looks like it's headed towards this mesh move target of around 255. So that is the target for Amazon. You can see that this is all one large leg up here, a massive impulse that took years to form. And then we are in the second impulse targeting the 255 level. So Amazon, I'm pretty sure it's going to get there. It's very bullish right now. You would just have to probably play the trend line. So let's go and clear up the chart, clear the drawings. Let's go to the weekly chart. Here's look at the weekly chart. You can see that the trend has gotten steeper and steeper. So this was the first angle, and now we're currently on the second angle, and we may be forming a third angle. So overall, bullish trend lines are currently in play. I'm looking for the 255 measure move target. You can see that this was the prior impulse up that took several years to form. This was the start of the second impulse up after the bottom in December of 2022, targeting the 250s. So the high 250s is the target. There's a very good chance we will get there. Targets aren't always reached, so consider this more of a zone. So we might just fall slightly short. We might even exceed it by a little bit. In the meantime, price is a little bit overextended on this daily and weekly charts. You can see that it's a little bit overextended from that EMA, so we could see a pullback. Just like when price was overextended right over here, it pulled back to the EMA and the trend line and then went up. We can see the same type of pattern occur immediately, because this was a pullback right here when it was overextended, went to the EMA and trend line, pulled back over here, went to the EMA and trend line, and expecting a pullback over here to the EMA trend line once price can break through this short-term uptrend line right here. So overall, Amazon's pretty good. Just to summarize, it's in an uptrend, still making higher highs, higher lows, just made a new all-time high, still looks very good. Where is a target that price can reverse off of or reach is at the 250s, most likely 257. That is the current target in play. I think there's a very good chance we can get there. Here's a look at another target. This is the one large leg right there. Second leg up, and this one's at the 272. So I'm looking for the mid to lower highs, the mid to kind of highs 200 level. So the 250 to the 270s is a good zone for Amazon. So overall, still looks pretty good. There's not a lot of bearish signs as of right now. The only bearish sign is that we're a little bit overextended, but that's like one thing in the grand scheme of things. You have to look at context. You can't just pull one thing out of the hat and think that is it. For example, a lot of people say, oh, the RSI this, or what about this EMA, or what about this head and shoulder pattern? Well, you're pulling one thing instead of considering the entire picture. The entire picture is a nice strong uptrend with a measurement target that has not been reached, and we just broke out of the prior all-time high, making a new all-time high. So this is a bullish looking chart, and it's not super extended either. It's not like a blow off top. It's not like price went parabolic. That's not what the chart is telling me. This is a strong uptrend. It's not like price is struggling to make new highs. It's making new highs. So overall, it's a pretty good trend. And there's not a lot of bearish signs on the chart. So overall, most likely we'll see higher prices. Looking for the mid to high 200s, between the 250 and 270 would be probably the zone where we could see a decent sized correction take place. So all that for Amazon in the daily weekly charts. This is V Trades, and thank you for your time.